You want to own a bright white, smooth, blemish-free skin. Your daily job is often exposed to sunlight, making your skin dark, lack of vitality. You don't have time and money to go to a beauty spa. Then this video is for you. Watch to the end of the video to discover simple, cheap but very effective beauty recipes. Hello everyone, have a nice day. Hello everyone to the DIY Nature's Glory channel. Today let's learn the recipe for skin whitening from potatoes. If you love the video, find it good and useful, please leave a like, share and subscribe for the channel to grow more and more. First, you prepare a potato, choose a fresh undamaged one, wash the potato with diluted salt water, then cut the potato into small pieces with its skin. Potatoes help prevent oxidation, whiten skin, and effectively prevent skin aging. If you use potatoes regularly, your skin will reduce acne, reduce wrinkles and dark circles on the skin near the eyes. After that, put the potatoes in a blender, add some rose water into it and grind them to make a paste. Filter out the potato juice from a strainer. Don't throw away the potato residue. Put it aside so you can use it as an exfoliating mask. You can use the potato juice directly as a skincare serum. Potatoes are rich in vitamins, making your skin bright, smooth and shiny. Apply evenly on your skin. Massage for about 2 to 3 minutes to absorb into the skin. Keep this potato juice aside for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes we will see that the potato starch has settled down. This potato starch is the hero ingredient of this remedy. We separate the potato juice in another bowl. Now we got potato starch. Now, let's make the remedy from this potato starch. Hey friends, write down from which city you're watching my videos. Thanks for watching. Kindly subscribe to my channel. After that we add 1 tablespoon aloe vera gel in this starch and mix it well together. Next we add 1 vitamin E capsule in this potato starch. When vitamin E combines with potato starch it treats dark circles, sunspots, dark spots and pigmentation effectively. Next we add few drops of rosemary essential oil. Rosemary oil can help with dark circles under the eyes by reducing their puffiness and darkness. Around the eyes, rosemary essential oil reduces puffiness, fine lines, and gives calming effect. We mix it well together and transfer in an airtight container. Store this cream in a refrigerator for 3 to 4 days. How to use this remedy? Apply this remedy on a clean face and massage until absorbed into the skin. Leave this remedy overnight for better absorption. You can use this remedy all over your face except problematic areas also. Wash it off next morning and apply moisturizer with sun protection cream. We make second magical remedy for dark spots, hyperpigmentation, dark circles and sunspots too. In a clean bowl we take 1 tablespoon potato residue, add tablespoon of bentonite clay or multani mitti. At last we add tablespoon of honey in this remedy. Combine all the ingredients together. Apply this remedy all over your face and neck area. Wait for 15 minutes. After that massage for 5 minutes, then wash it off with plain water. After this, apply your favorite moisturizer on the skin. Always apply sunblock cream on sunny days to protect your skin from UV rays. For best results, use this remedy on alternate days. Thanks for watching my videos. I hope you will find useful remedies for hair. Kindly like, share, and subscribe to our channel DIY Nature's Glory for more herbal and natural remedies.